To begin, please navigate to go.nuco.cloud. You'll see 5 steps you need to complete to download the Nuco Cloud Go desktop app. Step 1. To hold and transfer Nuco, you need to download Anchor Wallet. You'll be automatically directed to the download page. Please select download for free, and depending on your PC operating system, please select the preferred option. In today's tutorial, we're downloading for Windows. As this is downloading, please navigate to step 2 and create a free Telos account, and it's important to back up your keys. You'll be directed to the following page, where you navigate to the top right and select Create Account. Follow the instructions and complete all the necessary steps. When complete, click Continue. You'll be welcomed by the Congratulations page. Select Sign In and choose Anchor. Please select Launch Anchor. When launched, please set up account. Create a password. Select Telos.
And up in the top left, select purple circle. Then Manage Blockchains. Next, click Add Remove. Then scroll down and enable Telos Testnet.
Import an existing account and select Import Existing Private Key. Paste the private key you saved earlier. Accounts that match the key will appear here. Please click and select the accounts that appear. Enter your Anchor password to continue. Next, we need to install the Nuco Cloud Go application on your PC. Please remember during the setup to enter your Telos account name to link it to your account. Please accept the terms and conditions, click Download. Run the download and follow the instructions. Once complete, please launch the app. Enter your Telos account name to continue. Select Install, select Start, and you're ready to go. You can install the application on many computers to increase your earnings. Nuco Cloud Go makes it easy for anyone to contribute computing power and earn Nuco.